Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and in today's tutorial I want to show you how you can knit this cute little picot edge. You don't need a crochet hook, only your 2 knitting needles. For this edge stitch we are first going to increase by 2 stitches and then we are going to decrease these 2 stitches again. So, using the knitted cast on, increase by 2 stitches. I have made a video tutorial about the knitted cast on and you can find it in the description down below. When you have worked your 2 increases, you are going to knit them through the back loop. So knit the 2 stitches you just increased through the back loop. Now you are going to slip the first stitch over the second stitch to decrease by 1 stitch. So slip the first stitch over the second stitch to work 1 bind off or decrease. Knit the next stitch, this is your original edge stitch, knit the stitch and then slip the first stitch over the second stitch again. So, and now you have worked this little bobble here or picot stitch. I will fast forward to the last stitch and then we are going to knit this stitch together. So the last stitch will be a normal knit stitch. So knit the last stitch. Now let's turn our work around to the wrong side and you will repeat the same steps you did at the right side. So increase the first stitch with the knitted cast on by 2 stitches. So knit these 2 stitches through the back loop. Slip the first stitch over the second stitch to decrease by 1 stitch. Now knit the next stitch. The edge stitch will always be a knit stitch, so knit the stitch and slip the first stitch over the second stitch again. And now you have worked another picot or little bobble stitch here. Work to the last stitch in your pattern and then knit the last stitch again. This is a really easy edge stitch. The pattern is fast to memorize. At the beginning of each row you're working your picot stitch by increasing and decreasing stitches, and at the end of each row you're working your knit stitch. You can use this edge stitch for shawls or baby blankets. I believe it would be especially cute for baby blankets. You can work normal increases or decreases, so there is no limit to it. I hope you found this video helpful and I would be really happy if you like this video or leave a comment or subscribe to my channel. You would support my little channel here so much by doing that. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's tutorial. Stay healthy until next time. Bye!